The Uson Densifier has been developed close to the demands on the market. That is, the machine is user-friendly with automatical sequences through the whole operation, from the manual feeding of the hopper to the transportation of compromised waste materials to discharge area. The machine is service-friendly, with all moving parts built in or covered by plates, and most of them dismountable. To obtain the desirable compromising forces of approximately 20 tons, the densifier is hydraulically operated and is equipped with a clear and easy-to-handle display on the electrical cabinet. The densifier is designed to handle several kinds of waste materials, for example, aluminum cans, steel tins, plastic bottles, paper mugs, etc. In this film, we'll show you densifying of first steel tins of all sizes and finally plastic bottles. Safety is of course a matter of high priority and is made possible through the interlocking systems on the feeding hopper door and the door on the safety cage, which is surrounding the pallet for ready bales. All moving parts are covered by plates, which are, for service reasons, dismountable. To fill the hopper is easily done, because the door opening is on the large side. Normal operation means that you'll just fill the hopper, close the door, start the machine, and wait until the preset numbers of working cycles are carried out. And after a while, the machine stops. After inspecting the hopper for leftovers, or you want to fill the hopper again, you just close the door after filling the hopper and restart the machine. As you can see on the film, the horizontal movement of the cylinder is carried out very freely. And it doesn't matter if there are small or large tins, or if there are other metal waste objects with irregular forms. The machine can even cut the metal on top of the baling area, the so-called cutting edge. The machine is easily installed with bolts to the floor or with stud bolts on ships. The main power cable is installed from the backside. The main cylinder is horizontal and comprimes the waste material towards a pressure plate, the guillotine. When a full bale is accomplished, the guillotine cylinder pulls the guillotine upwards and the baling area is open for pushing out a full bale. After this operation, the cylinders go back to their home position, and for safety reasons, the cylinders cannot work simultaneously. As the volume of the hopper is approximately 160 liters, and the volume reduction is so high, up to 27:1, the machine can operate several working cycles before it's time for baling. That is, ejecting a ready bale. The comprimating of the plastic bottles can be tricky, since the plastic tends to expand after the comprimation. But in our system, the bottles are held under pressure for so long time that the remaining grade of compression is excellent. The sequences with the plastic bottles show the all-round function of the Uson Densifier. The operation in this is equal to the operation with metal tins. It's even easier to obtain an optimized compression operation because the bottles are mostly of the same size, but that's not essential for a good function of the densifier. In this film, grade of compression is about 20:1 for the plastic bottles, and is definitely more if the bottles are not pre-comprimated. The densifier can also be manually operated, for example when it's time for service, or if any waste materials has been jammed, or otherwise hindering the free operations of the cylinders. Even when you operate the machine manually, the sequence can be followed on the display. The display on the electrical cabinet is clear and it's easily understood. You can follow the densifying progress by studying the lamp on the display, indications for the limit switches, and even the pressure gauge. The door is equipped with an interlocking switch, which means that if the door is opened during a work cycle, the machine stops. And if nothing is done to the machine when the alarm lamp is blinking, the electrical motor in the hydraulic system stops and the fault must be detected and the machine restarted.
Ja, det är en tredjedels hårdkomprimerad plastflaskebal. Blev en liten komprimerad enhet. Det är helt otroligt.
The ready bales pushed out are sliced because of the high pressure used on each of the slices onto the guillotine. When the horizontal cylinder pushes out the bale, a pallet or plastic box can be used to collect the waste material. A plastic box is preferable due to the fact that the metal tins contains a certain amount of waste liquid. Thanks to the use of the high-strength wear plate material in the baling chamber, it's possible to densify almost any waste material.